President of the Caribbean Americas Soccer Association, Lati Guzang, says the tournament, which showcases several young talents from Jamaica's high schools, will continue to give players an avenue to the wider world. At the end of each schoolboy football season, a mix of Manning and Acosta Cup players represent Jamaica at the CASA tournament in South Florida. Over the years, a number of local players have gained scholarships through their participation at the tournament.
A platform of visibility for the players, because there are scouts from colleges that are here and they are looking for talent. So you don't know, they might get a scholarship to go to a school.
According to Guzang, it was good having the Jamaicans this year, despite the setback they suffered from the passage of Hurricane Melissa.
To use more than say it's wonderful, marvelous and incredible for them to stay put. A matter of fact, a lot of them might be even still suffering from the aftermath now, but they are here. And I can tell you, if you look at them play, you would not know that there was a hurricane in Jamaica.